Today we are partnering with FridayParts.com. They sent me a new lift cylinder for my snowplow. Their product came nicely packaged. Here's the actual lift cylinder that we're going to be using. It's pretty well packaged. Yep, I think this will do. This is what I'm looking for. We're gonna go ahead and rip off this other cylinder. Is this 1/2 inch? It is. The hydro lines off of this one, the old one, to put on the new one. Great. Of course, the union don't want to come off now. Awesome. Let's take the nipple off. Which it does. Okay, that one's out. It's trash. We got the new good one here, which we gotta take the plugs out of this. We'll go ahead and thread the nipple back in, or the 90 back on. Okay, let's get this other cap here. Let's get this cap removed. We're gonna go ahead and tighten this back together. Okay. All right. That's all there is to it. Just swapping these. Wanted to say thank you again to Friday Parts. They hooked it up with this cylinder. They've got awesome deals.